Hi guys! My second video review, as promised, about a budget power supply from Chinese company Dragonhawk. Its name Dragonhawk Airfoil Tattoo Power Supply. Let's look at it and how it works. My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. I'm just beginning to speak English. It's my second video in English, so I can make a little mistakes in pronunciation. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video is a subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. What do we know about the company Dragonhawk? It's a Chinese company with a warehouse in Hebei and founded in 2001. All products comply with international quality standards. Their main products are tattoo needles, tattoo and permanent makeup machines and tattoo pads. Their products be affordable price and easy of use. So, let's talk about the box. From the outside, it's black-green box with its name and image. On the outside of the box, I see 3 certification marks. CE. Power supply is safe on the environment and users. FCC. Power supply can be sold on the USA, but it will need relevant certificates. And SAA. Device meets Australia and New Zealand standards. So, let's see what's in the box. I'm seeing an instruction is in English and Chinese. Second box with power adapter with DC interface. This is power supply from Dragonhawk. It has a nice matte surface. It is plastic. Power supply has the transparent safety film, screen for looking working voltage. We can connect tattoo machine and foot pedal. So, I will talk more about Dragonhawk Airfoil Tattoo Power Supply. You will don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will tell you very interesting information and share relevant content with you. Power supply is really light. Its weight about 90 grams. The company Dragonhawk informs the Airfoil Tattoo Power Supply has a maximum output voltage of 16 volts and a 2 amperes current with protection against overvoltage and short circuiting. The convenient adjustment of output voltage with voltage wheel. Its color only black with green. I bought this tattoo power supply for about $40. Device has a stick surface for fixing. I don't like this life hack because it loses functionality quickly enough. Debris and dust stick to its surface. I prefer a magnet. Power supply with magnet is fixing on the surface, also in a barrier protection. Let's turn on it. I'm taking tattoo machine Atom from the company Dragonhawk. I pressing the voltage wheel 2-3 seconds and I'm turning on our power supply. We are seeing working voltage on the display for 9. I'm turning on the machine, pressing on the voltage wheel one more time. We can speed change with help the voltage wheel, turn on the left or turn on the right. I'm pressing on the voltage wheel again and turn off our tattoo machine. I'm taking foot pedal. By the way, it's from the company Dragonhawk. Now I'm pressing on the foot pedal and turning on the machine. I'm pressing on the voltage wheel 2-3 seconds and I'm turning off our power supply. That's all. Well, let's sum up our video review. This power supply is from Chinese company with a history. The company Dragonhawk informs about international certification. The power supply is easy to operate control. Plastic is quality. The power supply works with foot pedal and without it. I prefer to use the budget power supply only with a budget tattoo machine. I will leave links where you can buy these devices from video description. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.